Hello everyone, another day, another legal learning. Si teacher na ay boyfriend. In the course of the relationship, gives her laptops, cellphones, shoes, and others. Karon, nabuwag sila. Pwede ba balik ni boyfriend ang iyang ipanghatag? Well, according to the civil code, ang gift na gihatag sa uyab shall be considered donation. Once the donee, si girl or si teacher, gidawat na niya, iyahan na gyud na. Dili na pwede balik ni donor or ni boyfriend ang iyang gipanghatag unless there is a legal reason. What is donation? Article 725 of our Civil Code states that donation is an act of liberality, meaning out of kindness or charity. Then the donor disposes the right or the thing gratuitously, meaning without cost. And thirdly, donee must accept or there must be acceptance. Now, what are the kinds of donation? There is simple and pure donation, meaning there's no condition at all. Then, there's the remuneratory donation, meaning this is a reward for past services. And onerous. Onerous kind of donation, meaning there is a condition or there's something in return kung mo donate ang usa ka person. Civil Code also explains that donor must have the capacity to donate. Then the donee must not be disqualified, meaning basig minor siya. And there's also prohibition in donating. Like example, dili pwede mo donate between spouses. Di sad pwede mo donate sa iyahang concubine or sa iyahang mistress or to public officers connection sa ilahang office. Every teacher should remember the formal requirements in donating. If movable siya na below 5,000 pesos, oral donation is valid if delivered. Movables na 5,000 above, it must be in writing. But immovable galing siya, it must be in a public instrument or meaning notarized document like lots, building, mga inana, immovables. Always remember also that naagi siya acceptance. Wala gay acceptance niya, the donation is not valid. So balik na ni boyfriend. So unsay mga rason na pwedeng kuha og balik ang gipanghatag? First is kung dunay condition na wa tumana ni girlfriend. Ikaduha, kung naay ingratitude, like for example, nakakommit og krimen sa girlfriend batok ni boyfriend, the donor. And thirdly, the formalities of the donation wala natuman, like kasi dili siya written or wala siya sa public instrument. So I hope this video helps you understand about donation. So if you want to learn more videos relating to educational law, please follow, like, and share for more updates. Thank you so much for listening and watching, and God bless.